Math 102, example 1.4.2. So we've got the slope-intercept form of a line. We also have the point-slope form of a line, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M is still the slope, but instead of having the y-intercept, that x1, y1 is just a generic point on the line. Now, anytime we're asked for the equation of a line between 2 points, that does mean we want slope-intercept, so y equals mx plus b is what I want here. And here we've got 2 points. So x1, y1 is 3, 7, and x2, y2 is 4, negative 2. We don't know slope, so let's start with that. If we remember our previous section, that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here I get negative 2 minus 7 over 4 minus 3. So I get negative 9 over 7, which unfortunately does not reduce. Now, instead of using y equals mx plus b, I'm going to use the point slope. Now you can use either of the 2 points, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go ahead and use 3, 7. So I've got y minus 7 equals negative 9 over 7 times x minus 3. That is my equation in point slope form, but my final answer again I do want in y equals mx plus b form. So let's distribute to get rid of the parentheses. To multiply, I'm basically just multiplying the numerators and then the denominators, so I get positive 27 over 7, and then let's add 7. Now, lots of people have trouble with fractions, so we can use our calculator to help us out with that. So let's type in 27 over 7, which I type as division, and then plus 7. Now, as a default, my calculator does give me a decimal, but I'm going to go to the Math menu, and that first option says arrow frac. So I hit enter, and then enter a second time, and my calculator gives it to me as a reduced fraction. So my answer is y equals negative 9 over 7x plus 76 over 7. And there's our answer. And again, we can use our calculator if we have trouble doing that by hand.